guys. So अभी काम थोड़ा हो चुका है. The next thing to do is to step out for lunch, and today I'm going to Rocky's Cafe because the view is so good from there. Also वहाँ का pizza मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था. The second thing is that Rocky's Cafe इसलिए भी जाना because I met a friend here. I made a friend here who's not been to the cafe, and I thought it would be another good reason to visit Rocky's Cafe today. Also, I've checked and I've explored almost all the local points here, so I think it would be a good decision to go to the places which are really, really good, and I've already been there. Hence Rocky Cafe. Also, it's a nice small little trek from here. It's not trek, it's just uphill. So yeah, that's like the last cafe of Old Manali. It's literally the last. It's the end of Old Manali. So yeah, I'll be going there, and I'll have a friend join me. And yeah, so I'm all set. As you can see, I'm gonna be going now, just waiting for him to join. So another thing that I wanted to add here is that it's predicted that tomorrow it's going to snow. So I'm really, really excited for tomorrow. I'm hoping if it snows here, I'm going to stay back here in Manali and enjoy the day. You know, okay, so I have my friend join me here. Say hi.
Hi. Naveen.
He's Naveen, and he's an avid traveler. So I've got to know a lot about Manali through him. He's been of really good help. And yeah, so today I'm taking him to Rocky's Cafe because that's one place he's not visited so far. Yeah, he's focused on road, and I'm recording. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we've reached Manu Temple. As you can see, this is the entry, and this is very close to Rocky's Cafe. So this is on the way to Rocky's Cafe. It's pretty scenic. I'll show you. So, Manu Temple के दर्शन तो हो गए. Now we are back on track en route Rocky's Cafe. चलो चलते हैं. बहुत काफ़ी up slope है guys. कहने को it's like 1 kilometer, 1.2 kilometers from my place, but it does not feel like that at all. I tried hot chocolate of this place. Well, I was disappointed. मुझे लग रहा था मुझे बोर्नविटा मिला के पिला दिया है. So now I've decided to go other way around. So I've asked for some Mountain Dew, and I'm going to try veg paneer fried rice here. And उसके बाद देखते हैं. I'm going to head out after this to some other place. But yeah, hot chocolate was not as expected. Plus the weather is a little gloomy. It's a little cloudy, actually quite cloudy today. So yeah, I'm hoping that it snows tomorrow. Like, you know, एक चीज़ होती है कि हाँ तुम देख रहे हो कि मौसम बदल रहा है और फिर होप्स बढ़ रहे हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि नेक्स्ट डे I don't see snow. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. I'm really hoping that it snows tomorrow and day after, hopefully. Let's see. Now I am heading towards Vatika Cafe again today because I think hiking is one of the good things that one can enjoy here besides going to the cafes and, you know, exploring nearby other locations. So I'll show you around where I am right now. So if you can see, I'm just next to a river stream and there's barely any crowd here and very few places, and I have my friend here who's a lot into photography so he's enjoying the view. And yep, so this is where I am right now, and as you can see, the route is not as wide as you would expect because it's a secluded place. It's just, you know, narrow walk pathways that you can take. Let me show you what is the route that I'm taking. So yeah, let's go. This is where we are sitting right now. The view, the place, so secluded. And there's this little doggo and the dear friend who's not so fond of the doggos. Ah. Alright, so let's head back. Now we're back on route. Abhi, I think what next can be tried is Dylan's cookies, which I missed the other day, which I couldn't try. So today I am thinking of trying Dylan's cookies. It's very popular. Let's see. Heading to Dylan's. I am back at Dylan's coffee house. Let's go. Wow. That video went viral. Very proud. Border security. Chocolate chip cookie, Dylan special. This is, by the way, half of it because half of it is here. Enjoying my cookie. How's the cookie? Good. His reaction was, it's so good. I was expecting snow, but as you can see, there's no snow. Hello guys. So something happened. कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है that you want to just go back to sleep for just 5 more minutes and you end up sleeping for hours together? Well, that is what happened with me today. So I got up around 8 or something, and then I was like, you know, I freshened up and I was like, oh my god, there's going to be snow today, but there was no snow outside. And I was in a way so disappointed that I decided that I would, you know, get some more sleep and then I'll get up in say half an hour or so. And that did not happen. I just went to sleep and I got up at 11. So now it's 11:40 and now I'm thinking what to do because the weather is so cold and there's no snow. So let me show you. There's actually no sun either. So yeah, if you can see, there's just no sun. No sun at all. and already आग जल रही है वहाँ पे. I'm gonna go sit there after some time. And there's just no sun. It's all cloudy weather today. चलो फिर क्या, बस I'll head downstairs and grab some food, and I'm gonna sit there by the fire. Hello friends. So I'm sitting in this cafe of my hotel और मैंने मस्त दाल खिचड़ी ऑर्डर किया because हमारी शेफ स्पेशल दाल खिचड़ी, और मैं अब दाल खिचड़ी खाने वाली हूँ. And then I'm going to head out. Let's see where. So guys, so अभी का प्लान तो बन गया है. I am in the woods and I have company. Yes, so exploring the woods and there's a riverside here. So I'm going to head in that direction. And also एक प्लान है कि हम यहाँ से थोड़ी लकड़ियाँ आग जलाने के लिए जो नीचे टूटी हुई होती हैं छोटी छोटी, थोड़ी सी कैरी करें वापस, so that we can, you know, have you can say decent bonfire kind of environment. I'm still waiting for the snow. It hasn't happened yet, so fingers crossed. Let's see. लकड़ियाँ तो मिल गई हैं अच्छी खासी. कैन यू शो सी ही. तो एक घंटा, लगभग एक घंटा तो मस्त बॉनफायर चल सकती है इसमें. कम इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि लकड़ियाँ बहुत हल्की हैं, पतली हैं, और यहाँ की जो लकड़ियाँ हैं वो बहुत जल्दी आग पकड़ती हैं, बहुत जल्दी जल जाती हैं, इसलिए दे विल नॉट स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग. बट जितनी भी हैं आई एम श्योर आधे एक घंटे के लिए काफ़ी है. सो क्या, अभी हम थोड़ा घूम रहे हैं इधर वुड्स में. दिस इज सपोज टू बी अ नेचुरल पार्क where, you know, people come to explore some vegetation, some birds and stuff. So yeah, and these are all pine trees, as you can see. They're really really tall. So yeah, देखते हैं अभी. Heading towards Mall Road from here. So this park, it actually starts from Mall Road and it's about 2 kilometers of stretch, and it ends near Old Manali. So yeah, just walking around. So guys, I'm still walking, and as you can see, this is the other end of the park. But now we'll go and see some birds here which I kept here. They are kind of fancy birds, I guess. देखते हैं, पता करते हैं. Let's see. बर्ड वाला एरिया तो बंद निकला, बट ये छोटा सा प्ले एरिया मिल गया यहाँ पे. नहीं, आई विल नॉट स्पेंड टू मच ऑफ टाइम हियर because I have to go back and it's actually getting dark. It's 4:15 right now, but it does not appear to be so because अंधेरा जैसा हो गया है and इसमें ज़्यादा उजाला लग रहा है but actually it's getting dark. So we'll head back. So guys, I'm out of the park on the road. It has started to rain and I'm hoping that it snows as well. So I'm just gonna rush back to the hotel. And yeah, I hope it snows and I get to enjoy some of it today. Let's head home. You see what's the weather right now? And there's traffic jam. Hello guys, so I'm back in my room because it started to rain so heavily and it was obviously so cold. Now that I'm back to the room, I'm now thinking of having some food and probably call it night, or maybe play Uno with some friends that I've made here. So yeah, because it started to rain, there was no option to actually light a bonfire and sit and enjoy that bit. But anyway, if not today, then tomorrow, right? So yeah, that's all for today, and I'm going to try and spend some time playing Uno because it's a relaxing day after all. Chalo, I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.